In this video, we will explore how to insert shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the Insert tab. In Illustration group, have a Shapes option. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can see the list of shapes available. The first is showing the recently used shapes is showing here all, and the others is showing the in categories the lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equations, flow charts and others. So these are the shapes available here. If you want to insert the any shapes in your slides, just click on it and you can just draw with the mouse and you can insert easily. I just click on here the basic shapes. I select is the shapes. Okay, I just drag with the mouse and you can see the shapes is quickly draw here. Okay, with these shapes, the shape format tab also added here. You can use the shape formatting. You can use the formatting option to format your shapes. The shape style, just click on this arrow. You can see the number of styles, themes available for your shapes. Okay, you can shape the fields, so you can different color also fill here, shape outline, shape effects also you can use here. So these are the different effects also available. The word art style, you can use the word art style also, those you word and text available. Enter your shape. So I just enter here the subscribe. Okay, now if you want to change the word style, you can use this option. So you can see the changes on here, and if you want to text fill different color fill on the word, you can see the changes here. Text effects also you can use here. You can see the changes on the word. Okay, so I just increase the size. Okay, now you can see. Okay, okay, and then just click on again and you can see the shape format tab here. Now you can use the different formatting option also, bring forward, send backward, selection the pane, alignment. You can align your, I just click on the align right, you can align the right side, align left, you can align the left side, align the middle, you can set the middle side. Okay, so you can change the size of the shape also. You can just click on here and you can manually enter here also the size. Okay, you can change with the drag. Okay, and change your size of these shapes. Okay, and here the insert shapes option also available in shapes format. So same as here also, all shapes available. If you want to insert, just click on and just draw the shapes. I just click on the one arrow, so I just select this arrow and just drag and draw here. Okay, so this is a way you can insert different shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.